Grade A confirmed. This batch meets all low observable requirements for structural and coating applications.
X-ray scan shows no anomalies in the matrix.
Confirmed. The prepreg is clear for layup.
The AGV carries the certified prepreg material from the inspection bay, passing through a high-speed air shower for decontamination.
Approaching the autoclave now. Maintain current speed. Alignment looks good.
Guided by internal sensors, the robotic drill precisely bores the mounting holes. A specialized cooling jet prevents delamination of the composite material.
This detailed inspection confirms the structural reliability of the massive component, guaranteeing it can withstand the...
The geometry is perfect. It's ready for Process B.
The robot operates with minimal pressure, ensuring the structural composite material is not damaged while creating a perfectly smooth edge profile.
Straps are secure, applying the Process A label now.
Confirmed. Ready for transport to Zone B.
With the cradle secured, the massive duct sections await the next phase. Process A manufacturing is complete. check the seam on the lower quadrant?
Yes, completely sealed. Passing the sealant now.
The robotic dispensing tool applies a micro bead of the stealth sealant. This highly technical step, known as process,
The massive dark gray air inlet duct is affixed with a permanent identification tag by an automated system.
Confirm the load is secure. Roger that. Moving to Station 4.
Check the leading edge for any discrepancies.
Clear scan on the geometry. The finish is perfect.
Lifting straps secured. Ready for hoist.
Alignment showing green on channel 4.
Confirmed. All tolerances are within specification. Ready for integration.
Clearances look good.
Confirmed. Secure the clamps.
The shot emphasizes the incredible structural strength and rigidity provided by a Proviber cover-up manufacturing process. The component in
Speed and resulting distortion highlight the aerodynamic efficiency of the precisely manufactured duct shape, validating our adherence to geometric precision.
The visual consistency across multiple aircraft validates the repeatability and precision of the industrial manufacturing pipeline.
The structural stability of these ducts is the foundation of the Raptor's performance. The pilot relies on the integrity of this.
The lack of glare confirms the successful low-observable treatment applied in Process B.
This confirms the longevity and durability of the specialized sealant and composite structure, validating the long-term quality of the final product from Process B.
The composite air inlet duct provides the stable airflow needed for landing, its dark gray stealth surface remaining flawless after the mission.